Salam and welcome to Black Boy Adventures. My name is Aslam Mkolisi Tawana. This morning, as my wife was preparing to go to work, she realized that one of her tires is flat and it had all the wind had gone out. So I decided to then use my equipment to pump the wheel up, and we're going to go through and explain to you what this equipment entails. It entails an Indeflate dual hose gauge, which will enable us to can pump this wheel. This piece of equipment you can find at Mega World 4x4 stores. The description will be at the bottom of the screen. We are going to use this one. As well as I'm going to use the heavy duty air compressor to pump up the tire of the wheel. We are going to use Musafir as the vehicle where we're going to pump it from. Why you might be wondering, why are we using Musafir and not my wife's Mercedes? It's because Musafir is the vehicle which we are going to couple the pump from, and then we take it from there. Find the description at the bottom of this video as we go along to start the vehicle so that we can put up this piece of equipment. This is really heavy duty. This enables us as overlanders when we're out in the field and when we need to deflate our tires. With this dual hose, I can deflate 2 tires at the same time, and I can pump up 2 tires at the same time. Follow us as we continue doing this.
If you want to have a miserable life, stop practicing your cultural beliefs. It's alive, but it's well. We have to.
What we are doing now is to open the Musafir up. We are going to hook it up to the battery terminal. Negative to negative, positive to positive. And I'll take the hose. Couple it here. The hose is having 2 nozzles. So we are now going to pump this one. Don't forget, if you are in need of this equipment, you can find it at 4x4 Mega World stores throughout the country, and use the Black Boy Adventure code as a customer. That will enable you to get a better deal on every piece of equipment that you want to buy. I've put it now on the tire. I'm going to pump this wheel 250. Check as the wheel is coming up nicely. I'm looking at the pressure, what the pressure of the tire is. This has taken less than 2.5 minutes to pump up this wheel to 250, the pressure of the tire of my wife's car. If you are interested in all of this equipment, don't forget to visit 4x4 Mega World at all their stores. If you haven't done so yet, like and subscribe to the Black Boy Adventures YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, as well as on TikTok. My name is Aslam Mkolisi Tawana. We are Black Boy Adventures, and we are all here together. Wassalam Pula.